Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Buds 2. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG Smart TV. It's the LG TV that has WebOS via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's go to the settings on your LG TV. You can click on the settings, the gear icon on the remote. If not, you can just go to the home screen, click on the home button on the remote, and just navigate to the gear icon. So let me go ahead and go there. Select that, and then select all settings. It's highlighted already. Now from here we want to go down one to sound, right there, select that. And then from here we're going to go down one to sound out. Right now it says TV speaker, but we want it to come out of the earbuds. So let's select sound out. And then from here we're going to go down to use wireless speaker, right there, select that. And then we're going to select Bluetooth device. Now see that spinning thing there, searching for devices that's in pairing mode. So let's try to put these in pairing mode. So the buds are in a case. Let's open this up. I'll know that it's in pairing mode if both the lights here is blinking, or obviously if it shows up there, okay? So mine has a solid blue light and then it turns off, okay? So mine's not in pairing mode. That's because I'm connected to a different device. So let me force this into pairing mode. So what I have to do is just grab one of the buds. It doesn't matter left or right. And once I take it out, I'm going to tap once and tap and hold. All right, we'll do it together. Ready? Pull it out. Then we're going to tap and then tap and hold. And I'm going to keep holding it until the light starts blinking blue on both of them. Usually it takes about 10 seconds. Sometimes I have to do this twice. Okay, I don't think it worked for me. Let me go ahead and let go. I'm going to do it again. Ready? Tap, tap and hold. Let's see if that does it. There we go. Now they're both blinking. Okay, so now it's in pairing mode. So let's go back over here. Now the thing is, it took too long for me to put it in pairing mode, so we have to do the search again. It stopped. So let me just go down. We're going to search. So it's going to scan again. And what do you know? It's in pairing mode, and voila, it found the JBLs right there. I'm going to go ahead and select that. All right, and there you go. We're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't put it in pairing mode, or you had problems connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below for that link in that description area.